In today's video, we'll continue in our everyday math problems. Andrew invests $30,000 in a mutual fund that grows on average 10% each year. At this rate, what will be the value of the mutual fund after 20 years? Well, there's two formulas that can help us estimate the answer. This is the compound interest formula, where if we know how much interest is being credited to an account, we can calculate the final value after some time t. If interest is credited once per year, n is 1. If it's credited quarterly or 4 times a year, n is 4. Monthly, n is 12, since there's 12 months in a year. Now, if interest is compounded continuously, we would use this formula. Now, in this problem, it doesn't tell us how often interest is credited to the account. And a mutual fund, it just grows continuously. So the best formula to use in this case would be this one. But we can compare it to this one as well. So in this formula, P is the principal or the amount invested. That's $30,000. E is a number. It's 2.7182818. It's the inverse of the natural log function. R is 10%, and as a decimal, that's 0.10. And T is the time in years, which is going to be 20 years. So if you plug that into your calculator, 30,000 times E raised to the 0.10 times 20, it will give you $221,671.68. So this is going to be the value of the mutual fund after 20 years if it grows on 10%. If it grows 10% each year on average. Now let's compare this answer to another answer that we would get in a different situation. So let's say Andrew invests $30,000 in an account that pays him 10% interest once per year. So it's not compounding continuously, but the account is credited with interest once per year. In this case, we would use this formula. So P would be the same. It's still 30,000. R is still 0.10, but N is 1, and T is 20. So 1 plus 0.10 is 1.10. So it's going to be 30,000 times 1.10 raised to the 20th power. And the answer is going to be $201,825. So that's if the account receives interest once per year at 10%. But if it grows continuously, notice that the difference is about 20,000, which over time that's significant. So if you can increase the value of N, or the number of times that interest is credited to an account, the value of the account over time will be greater. So compounding the account with interest continuously is better than crediting the account once per year. See you in the next lesson.